Welcome to this walkthrough of what we call friends recruiting or crowd recruiting. This is all about creating a portfolio of talents based on your friends, relationships, acquaintances, putting that into a portfolio, build up their profile, and then being able to leverage that in your relationships to companies that are looking for talent. So let's look at it in a bit more details. The elements of crowd recruiting is that you have your relationship, your network of friends and acquaintances. You invite them into the TalEction platform, and then you use the data collectors in order to populate their digital twins so that you can have that on your portfolio, in TalEction. Then you use the tools of the platform like wizards, analytics, etc. And then you match that up with potential companies that are looking for talent. And then hopefully you can make some money doing that. If you look at the walkthrough of what you need to do as a user, we have that here. You start off by creating a standard user. And a standard user at TalEction is free of charge. You're not paying anything for that. And all friends recruiting functionality is available on a standard user. Then you sign in and invite friends and relationships into the solution and assign them with a set of tasks like tests and games, etc. Then when they have populated their digital twins, you can use that in order to mentor them, be a coach, and build their awareness on their own potential and what kind of context they will be able to liberate that potential. And then you can match that up against the opportunities and the companies that you have relationships with and present the talent in the portfolio and hopefully close a deal and cash in some money. If you do not have a company you can invoice through, we can help you with that. In our ecosystem, we have a few relationships that are taking care of all the logistics when it comes to payment from customers. So the only thing you have to worry about is to get your money within 24 hours. So let's assign into the solution and look at how it is inside. So here I've signed in with my user. I have a high-level admin account. So I see more functionality that you would normally do with a standard user, but the basics is the same. So you start off by inviting friends, clicking invite user up here. You provide name, email, and then you click here to specify what kind of actions you would like your users to do. And then you add a message and send the invites. When the user accepts the invites, you will see them in the group functionality invitations. And here all your invites will be stored and the status of it. So I have one invite I have sent and that has been activated. So hpd@talection.com has accepted my invitation and I can see what that user has done on the platform. Here I can create a lot of different pools or groups, as it's called here, where you can start categorizing your different talent in different categories, etc., etc. It's a lot of functionality linked to the groups that you can use in order to request a follow. In order to see a profile, for example, we can look at this person here's profile that has been shared with us. And here you can see the elements of that profile. So this is the content of the digital twin that you have requested to follow and that has been accepted by the person. So here you see all the data that you can use in order to both act as a coach but also as a relationship maker towards companies that are looking for talent. You can also use search functionality of TalEction. And here you see that I search for HPD, get 3 hits. You can search for projects, for tests and jobs, etc. You can also search for some tags that you can attribute to individual profiles. You can also have advanced profile search where you can look for people, profiles with a dominant conscientiousness, for example, or extroversion, or that have a strong curiosity, etc., etc. Having done all this, you can then decide to create a group that you present to a company that you have a relationship with. So you just decide to share this, and then you can send this link off to this company and present the 3 candidates that you have for them. From this, the company can look at the profile to see details on that profile, etc. So that kind of sums up the friends recruiting at TalEction. So you use the invite, you use the group functionality, you use search, and you can look at profiles, and you can run simulations when people are starting to share their profiles, and also the wizard in order to act as a mentor and present these talents to companies and hopefully make some money doing that. So thanks for looking at TalEction and friends recruiting. Thank you.